Hi guys, I'm Dr. Julian Machado and I'm a chiropractor at LC Chiropractic, and today we're going to show you some exercises that are beneficial for you to 1, prevent injury, and 2, prevent dysfunction and have your body working better. So follow along. All right, so this one's called the 90-90 lumbar stretch. You're going to want to do this at least 3 times on each side and hold for at least 10 seconds on each time you go over. Next stretch is going to be knee to chest. You're going to bring your knee all the way to your chest, hold it as tight as you can. You're going to hold that for 30 seconds on each side. Repeat on each side at least 3 times. After you go knee to chest directly, you're going to go knee to opposite shoulder. So you're going to bring your knee all the way up and then across the opposite shoulder. You're going to hold that for 30 seconds. Repeat at least 2 times on each side. All right, so we're going to demonstrate a pelvic tilt. Chloe, I want you to arch your low back first. Perfect. That's creating a space between the floor and her low back. She's going to hold that position for 3 seconds. Then the opposite of that would be flattening her low back. She's going to rock her pelvis. Perfect, just like that. Make sure to keep your glutes on the floor. If you raise them up too high, that's a different exercise. That's not going to do what this one needs to do. You're going to hold that position for 3 seconds and then return to arching your low back. You're going to repeat that back and forth, holding for 3 seconds at a time for a minute straight. Sleeper stretch is for the shoulder and the rotator cuff muscles. You don't have to go backwards, you just have to go one way, which is down. You're gonna wanna hold that for 3 to 5 seconds each time. Repeat at least 10 times in the morning, 3 to 5 seconds. Or you could do one full 30-second hold, repeat on each side. Child's pose is a yoga move. It's great for your low back and for your hips. What you want to do is rock your hips all the way back to your heels as far as you can, arms straight out. You're going to want to hold that for at least 10 seconds and repeat 3 times. Cat-cow is also a yoga move. What you're going to want to do is bring your chest all the way up as you're looking down towards your knees. Hold that for 5 seconds. Then arch your low back as you're looking up towards the ceiling or as high as you can. Hold that for 3 to 5 seconds and continue for 1 to 2 minutes straight. Bird dog is a great exercise to begin working your core and your glutes. What you're gonna do is you're gonna raise your left hand all the way up, thumb up so you don't hurt your shoulder, and then bring your right leg straight out. Good. Watch for your hips, make sure it's not rotated. You're gonna hold that for 3 to 5 seconds and then switch sides. Now, as you can see, her left hip is rotating up. What you're gonna wanna do is correct that. Good. Hold it there. And then repeat opposite side. You're gonna do this for 2 minutes straight. 90-90 hip stretch. This is great for the hips and for the low back. What you wanna do is lean right over your knee, hold that for 10 seconds, repeat 3 times, and then switch sides. Spider-Man stretch is a great overall body stretch. Bring your right leg all the way up or left leg all the way up, and then rotate the same side towards the ceiling. Hold that for 10 to 15 seconds, repeat 2 to 3 times, and then switch sides and do the same thing. The next stretch will be a hamstring stretch. So we're gonna bring your feet just past your shoulders, the palm of your hands, or as close as you can to that, bring them down to the floor. And then with your hands, you're gonna take 3 steps forward. Good. You're gonna hold that there for 5 seconds. Now take, with your hands, 4 steps back. Hold that for 10 seconds. You're gonna repeat that 3 times. For our HIIT routine, you're gonna do each one of these exercises for at least 30 seconds, as many reps as you can. All right, just make sure your form is perfect. So air squats, 30 seconds, as much as you can. Planks, hold that position for at least 30 seconds. T rotations, you're gonna do for 30 seconds non-stop, as many reps as you can. Keep your form. Bird dogs, very important. Do not rotate the hips, and keep that position for at least 10 to 15 seconds on each side, and then repeat to the other side. Bear crawls, you're gonna crawl forward for 3 to 5 steps, crawl backwards 3 to 5 steps, and then side to side 3 to 5 steps. Repeat this action over and over for 2 minutes straight. All right, the next exercise is directly for your neck curve or your neck posture. So it's called a negative Y, invented by Dr. Fedorchuk out of Cummings, Georgia. What you're gonna do first is bring your neck straight forward or your chin straight forward. Perfect. Then raise it up 1 inch and then slide your chin back as if you're trying to bring it behind your shoulders. Perfect. As you bring your chin forward, you're straightening out your cervical spine. Then as you bring your chin 1 inch up, you're creating a curvature at the top of the cervical spine, C1, 2, 3, so that when you bring your neck back like that again, C4, 5, and 6, the bottom of your neck has the greatest curve. Try that one again, okay. So dynamic stretches from Mike Boyle, what we're gonna do is bring our knee all the way to our chest, hold it tight for 10 seconds, then bring that same leg all the way out, take a step forward, other knee to the chest, hold for 10 seconds, and keep walking for at least 10 to 15 feet, turn around and do it one more time. Walking heel to butt, bring your heel all the way to your backside, lean your chest forward for a more intense stretch, hold that for 10 seconds, then take 1 step forward and do the other side. Do the same thing for 10 to 15 feet, turn around and repeat. Walking golfers, you're gonna wanna lean forward, keep both legs as straight as possible, lean forward till you can touch the floor or as low as you can go, and come right back up, take a step forward and repeat for about 10 to 15 feet, turn around and repeat. Piriformis stretch, you're gonna wanna bring your right ankle over your left heel, then sit as low as you can go, hold that for 10 to 15 seconds, repeat on each side 2 to 3 times, and you're done. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you found this very helpful. If you want, give a like below or share this with a friend that can also benefit them. Our office is located on 12145 Sheridan Street in Cooper City, Florida, 33026. You want to come visit us, give us a call at the office and make your appointment, 754-233-0260. And thank you very much for watching.